All right, guys, here we go. I got the Python out, Team Ralley Python. I also got my new Fly Sky Noble hooked up to it, so we're gonna see two newbies go together here. Let's see. And I also have my GPS. I have it just tucked up under the body with two Velcro. You can see it's moving. So we're gonna go track, start, stop, read, zeroed out, track, start. Okay, it's testing. We're gonna do see what we can do on 4S. This is 4S stock motor, stock ESC. It's I think it's a 2050 kV. First time running it, so we're kind of breaking it in just a little bit to work all the bugs out of it. I think she's got some power too, guys. So, and I'm probably gonna take this out and put a my radio link in there with a gyro, just to give it that, because I'm gonna be just doing some speed runs with it. So we'll see. This thing goes actually pretty far. This is signal lost. Oh, signal lost. Just signal lost. Signal yeah. Lost. Signal lost. Signal lost. Signal okay, I'm coming back. Signal lost. It's pretty far out there. I mean, it's not that far. So, and this is the race one, so it doesn't have the antenna, so it should be on the outside of the box, but that's why we're going to switch it, because I can't fit the big one of these in there. Signal lost. So let's just see what she can do. This is just 4S, guys. Stock tires. I knew it wouldn't be super fast, but I just wanted to, you know, start at the bottom, work our way up. It's all stock gearing. So we might throw another pinion in here on the next video and try 4S, 6S with everything stock. Maybe go up to, I don't know, 20. We'll have to see what it is. 27, 20. But this is a Maxx 6 in these things, guys. I don't know if some of you guys know that or not. It looks like a Maxx 8, but it's a Maxx 6. That's why these things are so fast compared to, I guess they're supposed to be a little faster than arrma out of the box, just because of the Maxx 6 in there. So let's see what this has got. This thing's actually got all sorts of power on 4S too. You guys want to race this thing. So, and it looks sweet. Looks too clean to run right now. Let's see. We're here, stop, read, 37. I mean, it's not the world's fastest car on 4S. So we're gonna try a 6S now though. Like I said, this is a bad radio to put in it. My other one wouldn't fit. Fly Sky does have another one that I'm gonna try out, another receiver, but I think I'm gonna put the radio link in here because I got the booster on it and everything, so I can go the distance without losing signal. But for today's little adventure, we're gonna do this. So, all right, guys, it's gonna be a short video too. I just wanted to try it on 6S and see. And you say we got 37 miles an hour, so we can try one more time. Let's try one more time. Track, start. See if the break it in the battery for a minute. I also try to kill the battery a little bit so we don't have to go home and put it in storage. Yeah, that's all she got. That's all she got, guys. brakes work. Everything's working on here pretty good. Everything was pretty well dialed in. I didn't put the bunch up. Stop, read, yeah, 36. I didn't turn the punch up. I didn't turn anything around on this one. Everything was set on it that I liked. The brakes seem to be all right. We'll have to try with street tires. See if it spins out though. So, Noble seems to be working great, just not with the race receiver. The race receiver probably needs to be on the outside of the radio box is what the problem is, because I have it inside, so it probably doesn't have the signal. So, but like I said, we'll probably throw a radio link in there so I can go farther. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the 6S pass.